I'm Bob Goff with Muddy River News. I'm with Aaron Kirchhoff, the General Manager of Kohl Wholesale, and Bradley Darnell, the Corporate Executive Chef for Kohl Wholesale. We are at the Kohl Cash and Carry Showroom at 140 Main, and we are getting ready to have some tuna on salad. Not
Tuna on
salad.
That's right, not
Although
tuna
there's nothing wrong with
salad.
good tuna salad, but here we are in Lent, and again, we can all go to our favorite local restaurants, which of course Kohl's provides much of what they have, whether it's cod or walleye or catfish or whatever, and you can have that during Lent. But sometimes you want something a little different, that's what we're going to have here.
Yeah, it is. So we're going to start with a ahi tuna steak, which is one of the best steaks to have as far as like cooking it rare. And then I'm actually going to put Aaron to work. I don't know if you know that or not, but
congratulations.
Thank you. I'm going to have him paint on some egg whites right here which is kind of like the little chefy secret to having some sesame seeds stick to it. And then we're going to put her in some hot oil, and we're going to get busy there. So.
Vanna, you want to show us that steak there? That looks
Beautiful,
delicious.
nice ahi tuna steaks. Yeah,
Yes.
You like that? It's good.
I'm waiting to dive
I'm a
in.
professional at that.
You are,
I
yes.
career path.
Yes,
Yeah.
I think it's great.
I like it.
Get you,
I like it.
Catch him on Indeed, he'll find it. But yeah, we got some good looking salad here
right.
and some radishes, and again, all this stuff and the sauces. Walk us through those here in a little bit. Yep. All the stuff you can get at the cash and carry. The best thing about the cash and carry is you walk in here, and there's so much great and different stuff. But if you're looking for something that you don't see in here, give them some time and they can find it.
Yeah, our teammates are one of a kind. Like, we have chefs that work here. We have folks that work in the back of the house in kitchens that work here at Kohl. We have over 400 teammates that work for Kohl Wholesale in general, but right here specifically at our cash and carry have some great culinary knowledge that we can impart upon any of our customers.
You go through and you look at the different sauces and you look at the different, the meats, the fish, all the stuff. It's just, they've got such a variety here. It's unique, and it's celebrating its 25th anniversary.
Yeah, who knew that? Like, we've been in business for 25 years, and as an organization, been in business for over 150 years.
Yeah,
crazy.
Which of course started off as the In-Whole Grocer Company back in 1873, and now again 150 years later, the cash and carry is a part of it. It is just it's one of our great local businesses, and again, we're a local company, they're a local company. They supply to all these local restaurants, and that's what it's all about, is making Quincy a great place to live, work, and most importantly, eat.
Eat, that's
Let's
right.
eat.
Let's
do
eat.
it.
Yeah, let's go. All right, so what we want to first start to do is get a nice pan of oil that barely covers the bottom and nice and hot, okay?
Smoke it.
Smoke it hot, right? So while that's doing that, Aaron is going to put on some of that nice egg wash there.
Up, down, up. Like Mr. Miyagi.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Okay,
Yeah, exactly. So make sure you do that all the way around.
I know how to do it.
So make sure you do that all the way
Both sides.
Both
right?
sides, absolutely.
Don't
Absolutely.
mess this up too quick.
Well, yeah, you don't want to.
Well, you got to let the professionals handle these things.
Exactly.
Right?
I mean, that's why I gave you the easiest job.
Thank you.
So, all right. So once that's accomplished, we're going to put this right in to the sesame seeds. So we got a mixture of black and white here, which has got actually two different kind of flavor profiles actually. So.
And also really aesthetically pleasing. Like,
Absolutely.
It looks good. You got to enjoy what you're eating. You look at it and you taste it.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal.
Yeah, absolutely. So we got our pan nice and hot here. We're going to pop this in and cook it for about a minute and a half on each side. You should hear a nice little sizzle there. So,
While Brad's talking about that,
Yeah.
we talk about our cash and carry. We have a lot of professionals that work here at Kohl. A lot of great professionals that work in the culinary industry. We also have some great guys and gals that work in our warehouse, right, Brad?
Yes, we do.
So we have a great, unique, I would call it a unique opportunity for a lot of folks here in Quincy in our driver training program. Did you know we had a driver training program?
yes, I did.
It's
I
one
did.
of the most, I would say, hidden secrets that we have at Kohl Wholesale. So say you're a 19 or 20-year-old young man. Like Brad did this back in the day when he went into the Marines and
Yep.
into the Army, right?
That's right.
And thank you for your service, sir.
Oh, no problem.
So we have a lot of guys in our community that are 18, 19 years old, and they're looking for those career paths. We can actually train somebody. Imagine us at 18 or 19 years old, Brad. We wouldn't know what the heck we wanted to do.
absolutely
I didn't know
not.
I wanted to be a corn dog salesman. You didn't know you wanted to be a chef, right? I had no idea.
That's right.
So now we get to do, some of our guys that don't know what they want to do, they can come to Kohl, and we can actually train them to drive a truck and have a career path for the rest of their lives, much like being a chef,
right.
much like working in our cash and carry showroom. Just having that professional touch.
Yeah.
What do we got going here?
So I already flipped it. So we're on.
How do you know? How much time?
Well, about a minute and a half. So on high heat, you don't want to cook it all the way through because it's got that nice red color in it. It's going to be it's going to offset with the radish garnishes we got going on here. So you smell that?
Oh, whew.
That smells really good.
It smells delicious.
It smells really good.
Can't wait to eat.
I know.
How much longer on this side?
I think we're about done here. So we're going to take this out and put this right over here.
Nice.
Okay. We're going to kill the heat on our pan. And then we're going to slice this to where you can see the color and all that
So
good
you're looking
stuff.
to kind of sear it on both sides and not have it cook all the way through, which is what you
Right.
can see where that white is on the top and the white is on the bottom, and that really nice color on the inside.
That's right.
Beautiful, Brad.
That's-
It's like
that's-
you're a darn professional. It's amazing.
The taste of this is absolutely amazing. And what we wanted to do is kind of play on some flavors with some dressings and stuff. So what we're doing today is an Asian dressing, and then we're going to kind of top it off with that little bit of that little oomph on the backside, you know, with the sushi sauce or unagi sauce. It gives it a whole different flavor profile. Yeah, exactly.
Okay, just
exactly.
checking.
Unagi.
So unagi umami.
Exactly. Say that 3 times.
No.
Okay.
Okay, just checking.
So we're going to finish this up here. Quick.
Beautiful.
That's pretty, isn't it?
I love it.
Nice, something nice for the spring and all that good stuff. So we got some garnish. Thank you for that. Appreciate it. Man, see, I know I
Great
got
sous
you here
chef.
for
That's what
something.
I'm here
Exactly.
for, Brad.
So we're going to hit some of that. Here is our Asian dressing. So this is a toasted sesame dressing, and we'll have the recipe for this here at the Kohl Cash and Carry Showroom.
Oh, cool.
If you guys want to stop by and grab that.
We make those for every one of these videos, and we print them out for everybody.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, they can just stop by and grab it while you're picking up the ingredients or just coming out and checking out the showroom. And here's our unagi or our sushi sauce. Sushi.
Easy for you to say.
That's right. And that's it. So I hope everybody's got a fork.
It just so happens.
You just so
I do.
happens you do.
Bob, do you have
Bob,
a
do you
fork?
have a fork?
Why, yes, I have
Oh.
a fork.
I happen to have one right here.
Oh,
How handy.
this is going to be unfair.
How handy, okay.
So here, let me get this over here. Let me get this over here so we can all just kind of fight over. So you ready?
I got my own. You all have that.
Oh, you're gonna dig.
Yeah.
You're gonna dig in too.
I get my own. They're sharing.
Make sure you get a
sharing is
nice
caring.
bite. That's right.
That's excellent.
Oh, so good.
Well, I thank everybody for coming in and helping me. Aaron, thanks for helping me cook. As he got his mouth full. Bob, thanks for eating stuff. And,
Yeah, no, glad to be here. I mean, again, we appreciate our partnership here with Kohl Wholesale, and again, congratulations on 25 years here with the Cash and Carry Showroom.
Appreciate it.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
See ya.
See you next time.